Good morning, this is Mrs. Heisenmittel, and today I'm going to give you a few directions to get you started with our 811 Vital Signs Temperature Lab. So the first thing is that you're going to log into our learning management system. You're going to make a copy of the lab, which hopefully you can see I have right here. You're going to go to the share button, and here where it says people, you're going to add your team, your teammates' numbers at cvsd356.org so everybody can have the worksheet. And then you're going to have one team leader who goes ahead and turns the whole thing in for your group, but you're all going to want the lab data and information for the questions later. So the first thing it has you do is connect a GoTemp temperature probe. So as you can see, I have a couple of them sitting right here. No screen light. That means that it's plugged in to the USB, and you need to wait for it to actually go green and to feel so that the computer understands that it's plugged in, because it is USB and it does need to figure that out. So we're going to open up our Logger Pro, and there's a template that's already built for you, and in the directions it has you going to the start menu, to the G drive, to M Heisenmittel, or on the G drive. I'm the only folder you'll see. Medical Detectives, Inside Experiments. There's a folder called Middle School Vernier. You can open that, and you want the hot hand. It's the very first lab. So once you open it up, then you're going to follow the basic directions for taking the temperatures. You're going to click on the statistics button. A box will appear, so you're going to record for 60 seconds your data. And so notice it's all set up correctly, and there's a collect button. So I'm going to hold the probe in my hand, and I'm going to hit collect, and it's going to collect data. And as you can see, it's making a graph, and it will record this data for 60 seconds. So I'm going to actually stop it early so you can kind of see how it works. So I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to put the probe into lukewarm temperature water. Notice that the temperature is now coming back down to room temperature. I also have some paper towels just to dry it off. You need to be very careful. Notice it's not full. We're not spilling water all over the place. You just need to bring it back to room temperature, which we started at was about 21 or so. So we'll dry it off, and then we're going to add to it. So as you can see in the directions, because we need to add things to it, we're going to choose Store Latest Run from Experiment menu, save your data, and then we're going to run it again. So we're going to go up to File, Experiment, Store Latest Run, and then we're going to go Collect Data again. And so as you can see, it's now starting a new graph. This time it's blue. So you're going to do this for every member of your group. And you're going to go through and take their temperatures. When you're done, you're going to take a snip picture of this graph so that you can put that into your Google Doc to turn in. So those are the basic directions for looking at temperature. Again, I'm going to hit stop here. Again, all of these directions are on the Google Doc, and you're going to record in the data table all of the information for your group. All of the averages and conversions to Fahrenheit will be done for you.